Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In the last three videos, we discussed about sequence in Dynamics 365 sales, how to create it, how to connect a sequence to a Dynamics 365 record manually using connect sequence button. And then we discussed about connection of sequence to a D365 record using the segment feature within Sales Insights. In this video, we will see how to connect a sequence to a D365 record with the help of Power Automate. If you remember, as part of our previous video, we have created this sequence. If you haven't watched the previous two videos, I would request you to go back to those two videos and see how we have created this sequence with these steps, and then how we added this particular sequence into a segment, and then whenever a new opportunity is created with purchase time frame of immediate, then automatically this opportunity will be added to that segment, and then the sequence will be added to this opportunity, and within the up next section the user will be seeing all the sequence steps. In this video, we will take an example of the same purchase time frame field, but whenever the purchase time frame is equal to this quarter, then the Power Automate flow will trigger, and that Power Automate flow will trigger the will connect the sequence to this opportunity instead of segments that we used in the previous video. To create a Power Automate flow, we will go to a solution. We will create a new solution, or you can use your existing project solution, and then you can create a new cloud flow, automated cloud flow. And here you can set it like whenever a new row is created in Dataverse, this particular flow will be triggered. And these are the values you can set, like whenever a opportunity record is added or modified, this flow will be triggered. And as I said earlier, whenever the purchase time frame is equal to this quarter, then only this flow will be triggered for the opportunity. Here I have given the filter condition, purchase time frame equal to 1. So here 1 represents this quarter. And then once we have given the trigger, we can add the action steps. So for calling this connect sequence, we have a Power Automate step called perform an unbound action. So if you see, there will be two uh, perform action steps. One is perform a bound action, and the other one is perform an unbound action. To call a sequence, we need to use perform an unbound action step within Dataverse connector. And here we need to select the connect sequence action, and then we need to enter some of the important values. For regarding entity ID, we need to pass the unique identifier of the current opportunity record, and then similarly we need to set the regarding entity name as opportunity, and then we need to give the GUID of the sequence that we have created. To get this sequence ID, you need to open the sequence that you have created, and from the URL you will get this GUID of that corresponding sequence. You can just copy this GUID from URL and you can paste it inside your Power Automate. And once our Power Automate is ready, you can just save it and turn it on. And next time when you create your opportunity, and if you set the purchase time frame as this quarter, then immediately the particular Power Automate flow will be triggered, and it will connect the sequence with your opportunity. Now I have saved this opportunity with purchase time frame as this quarter. Now if I go to my Power Automate flow run, I can see both the steps are completed successfully. Now if I come back to my opportunity and if I refresh the page, I will see the sequence got linked to my opportunity, and then I can see all the steps created as part of the linked sequence. In this way, we can connect sequence with any dynamics record wherever you have enabled the sequence functionality. So as per our previous video, we saw that the sequence can be automatically linked with a D365 record using the segments. And in this video, we discussed about the linking of sequence to a D365 record with the help of Power Automate. Thank you for watching.